Hi everyone, welcome back to the Board Developer. My name is Davide. Does your spice cabinet look like this, while you like it looking more like this? Well, then keep watching. Last time I had basically no plan, other than a rough sketch on paper, and many things went wrong. This time I made some plans using SketchUp, so now I have a full list of pieces and their measurements. It took a little more time to plan, but cutting the pieces was way faster and error-free. If you're interested in the plans for the spice rack, I'll link it in the description below. I finished cutting all the pieces, as you can see here, so what is left to do is give a light sanding, especially to the plywood. I don't really need to sand these pieces of lumber as they're gonna be inside, they're gonna be hidden, so maybe just sharp edges to avoid splinters, and then I'm gonna start building it. When the glue was finally dry, all I did was sand everything up to 240 grit. Then I gave 2 coats of spray varnish. In between I sanded with some fine steel wool, just to be very light on the sanding. And that was it. So what was left to do was take all of those different containers of spices and put them into this nice little one that I got from Ikea. Then we put these black stickers that we could write with chalk, and that was it. What was left to do was transfer the spices from the old containers to this one, and this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little project. If you did, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. If you're interested in building one yourself, I will leave plans in the description down below, and I'll see you next time.